Oh, dang, I left the light on. Actually, you know what? Leave the light on. This might work. This might make it cooler. But, definitely gotta keep it away from my eye. Alright, so this next revamp I'm about to do is to a song called Black Dog from a girl that may or may not have been one of the top 24 contestants once upon a time on a TV show called American Idol. But she did this song with her house band, otherwise known as the Eisenhauer band, and I couldn't find the lyrics to it online, but I was very fortunate and honored that she would send me the lyrics and trust me to making a cool cover, which I'm going to. Although I gotta be honest with you, there are a couple of lyrics in this song that she made that are semi-dark, to say the least. Like, she's saying something about how big black dog barking at the door, and the family shoots it, and describes with blood being on the dirt floor. And when I saw that, I was like, oh god, no, oh wow. Look, Amelia, I'm not going to judge this. I'm not going to play the role of Simon Cowell here. But has anybody ever seen the movie What Just Happened with Robert De Niro? To those that saw that movie, that where they showed the white dog in the movie that was going on within the movie, and the guy shoots the white dog, and then there's blood coming out of him, and it's just like I'm just like, oh no. Amelia, you are a sweet girl and a nice girl and everything, but I feel extremely uncomfortable saying stuff like that, and I apologize if I just gave everybody a gross visual. I apologize, but I had to clean this up a little bit, not make the black dog the villain. In this version of Black Dog, I'm gonna turn it into the hero, where the dog doesn't die, but like say there's somebody out to kill a family, and a bad guy out on the loose looking for a certain family to kill. The bad guy finds the family. The bad guy tries to kill the family. And I'm going to say that the bad guy is the one that gets shot. Make the bad guy the target here. Amelia, you are very sweet and everything, but I'm sorry, some of that stuff is just semi-dark. I had to clean it up a little bit there. I did it out of the kindness of my heart, because I love you. Oh my god, I am so sorry about before. I did not mean to say that, but it's in her song. I'm not gonna be judgmental about it. I'm just gonna say it's in her song, and she did. I'm crediting her with the original lyrics. The original lyrics were done by Amelia Eisenhauer and her band. And once you're done watching my video, go down below and listen to the real thing down below, especially if you're a bigger country fan than yours truly. And funny enough, I'm going to use a somewhat of a country song here myself. So, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Really, Amelia? A good big black dog walking from the back door. This is your life ahead, we're ready for war. That guy sends the apprentice to kill a family of four. Mom shut him down like a goddamn hitman. His blood lies on the dirt floor. Santa Mars running scared shitless through the dark cold streets, like they just didn't care. Don't have to go home, but they can stay here. Hey, I'm for a night. Gonna give me slice of the American pies. Gonna run after the devil. I'll sleep when I make sure he dies. It's a little milk and honey, and I'll give my feel. I'll get what I want. Won't hesitate to steal. Kill the ones that tried to take who I love. Do that, but I'll justify. Yeah. Oh, God, big black dog barking from the back door. This is trouble lies ahead, we ready for war. I wasn't even ready for that. They will keep him running for ages and left the child on the hip bone. Broke out of jail after 20 years long. Got that liar, got him, but they'll never catch me singing. Preacher man, choking all smacks in. I'm a burning fire on just my ways. Oh, better stop praying on your old baby knee if you want them angels are coming. Hey, I'm for an eye getting the slice of American pie. You're gonna make sure the devil dies, and not a one will hear his cries. Oh, it's a little milk and honey, ooh, and I'll give my feel. Do you what I want? Won't hesitate to kill the hardest ones that tried to take the ones I love. Do that, justify. Oh, God, big black dog barking from the back door. This is trouble like a hell, we ready for war. We'll take on the pulse, a little sleepy toes now. Sweet love, sweet cherry dad, I think I need a ride. Amelia, I love you, but yikes.